today's video, I'm going to sit here and show you this gel polish kit that I got. Kind of like a unboxing of this Beetles Gel Polish Kit. And I chose the pinks because I wanted the nude color nails. And I'm just going to be putting that over my natural nails. These two are shorter than the rest of my nails, so I may have to add tips here. I don't know yet. It really doesn't matter. But I'm going to show you that. So that's what this video is going to be about. If that's something you're interested in watching, then continue watching. Okay? And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification. Hit that like button. Okay? So that you can be notified when I upload another video. So this is my first time using gel polish on myself. I do have another kit that I got from Amazon, and this came from Amazon as well. It's supposed to be cruelty free, and it has like 9 different things that are not in it. Okay, like formaldehyde, all that other stuff. So it's supposed to be cruelty free. The other one I have is like it's a dipping powder nail kit, and I have done that before and I like that. But this here, the reason why I got this is because I don't like to wait for my nails to dry, and I rarely ever color my nails for that reason, because it takes forever for it to dry, and then within an hour or less it's nicked, it's chipped, it's all of those things. So I never really like color my nails. I just put a clear coat on them and that be that. So these are my nails as of right now. Okay, let me do it like that. So with this, it comes with a UV light and everything, and so you don't have to wait for your nails to dry. Yeah, the UV light does it for you. Okay, it does everything. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to show you on camera while I do it, because I want to pay attention and focus on what I'm doing versus trying to show you how it is done. There are plenty of videos here on YouTube that you can watch as far as a tutorial goes, but I will show you the end results. So let's get into this unboxing. It is a DIY mani and all in one kit. So inside here, they give you a booklet and let you know that it's a starter kit and how you apply it. It has a lot. All of these things are located in the box. Got different nail files, nail tips, glue, French tip guides, cuticle cutters, cuticle pushers, brushes, all of the things, okay? And then it goes on to tell you that you have base coat, gloss, and matte top coats. All right, gel nail polish. There's 12 different color polishes here. You get some glitter, some micro gems, you get a nail strengthener, and you get your light. All right, and then it just goes on to tell you how to apply it, how to apply the gems, and everything like that. So just your instruction manual, and then your manual for your light. So here is the nail glue that comes with it, and this is the clear tips, and the bags are numbered so you can know which one you have. These just come with clear tips, and let's see how they feel. Okay, it feels kind of sturdy. So basically, it doesn't go here at the tip. It covers your whole nail, okay? So I don't see how that's going to work with nail glue, because isn't that going to basically make it like a press-on? I'm just saying. So in this bag, you get this bag of stuff. It has your gems. It has all of the different glitters. It has a nail brush. If you want to do white tips or any type of colored tips, it has tip guides. It has the foil, as well as the tweezers with the curved end. And it also has, what is this? Oh, so those big jewels and gems that you can glue down. So that's what was in that one. And in this one are your utensils. You have your separators for your clips. You have this Beetles file that's fine. Try to keep this separated here. You have your foot brush. You have, let me just take it all out. Nail clipper, cuticle pusher. All right, another file, like a rougher file. A brush, all right, and then another cuticle cutter. So that's that. Then here is your UV light, and there's 30 lights underneath, and on top it has 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds, and the on and off button. Now this light is supposed to stay on the setting that you have it on, so when you stick your hand under there, it automatically lights up. Comes with a cord that looks pretty long, as well as, what is this? Okay, this is your cuticle oil. And, okay, so these are your, what I just told you. And these bottles aren't like regular size bottles. They are 7.3 milliliters, but they'll do the job. This is a nail strengthener. And then you have your base coat. And then, like I said earlier, you have your top coat that's in glossy, and then you have your matte top coat. So that's that. And then let me move this. So last but not least are the colors that come in here, and these are all of the colors. So as you can see, there's a lot of nudes and browns and pinks and whites and just natural colors, which is what I wanted for the look that I am trying to achieve here first. And then if this is something that I can do easily and effortlessly and I like as I keep doing it, then I will add more colors. I really don't like a lot of colors on my nails in the first place, so I mainly just get white and maybe yellow. But I am up for trying some new designs. So these are the colors, and that's gonna do it for this unboxing. Some other things that I'm gonna be using are like some cups, and I don't have the little glass fillers, but I am gonna fill this with alcohol and acetone, and for my needs. I also have this artist brush that I'm going to use, and it's very thin. If I do decide to do any type of, fine lines or detailing, I'm going to use this because it's very thin. And I also have these. I was going to use these. These are actually eyelash brushes that I was going to use instead of that, but I found this instead, so I may not use these. Other than that, I have my own nail file kit. I do have a kind of like a Dremel nail thing, but I don't think I'm going to need it unless I do use these tips, and I'll have to rough up the part before I glue it down. But since I'm done talking, let me bring you back up here. Other than that, I am going to get started on my nails, and I will come back and I will show you the final results. So here are the results to my nails, and I did decide to glue some jewels on, and I did use the nail strengthener to hold those jewels on. I did use the color A157. It has a sheerness to it, and I kind of like that, okay? I wish I had a plan when I started this. Otherwise, it wouldn't have taken me 2 hours to do this. I was kind of experimenting and doing things extra, okay? So, because it only took me 30 minutes to just do the one hand with the 2 coats and I was done. So I like this. I like this look. I will give you an update and say that the jewels did not stay on no longer than 3 days because I wash my hands quite often and I noticed that they were missing. So this is it. This is how they came out. They have like a sheer look to them, and I did end up using the regular nail glue to glue these 2 nails on here to make them even with my nails. And as you can see, like you can see the tips of my nails through the gel here. But other than that, and this one here is shimmery, has a different, I don't know, I was just doing too much. And this one here is like a whole different shade of colors, a little bit pinker. But other than that, that is this, and this is that, and this is how it came out. So thank you for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, turn it on, okay, so that you can know when I upload another video. I will come back with an update and let you know how these hold up. This hand here is strictly 2 coats. This one here, like these 2, I done 3 coats, and I think all of this is 3 coats as well. And I think these 2 are just 2 coats. So we'll see how it all lasts. It's your girl Maya, you know nobody flyer, and I will see you. I see you in the next one. Peace.